In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Alibaba account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to alibaba.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the address bar and looking for a secure connection. This helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your information safe. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. This opens the account creation page where you can choose how you want to register. Alibaba gives you a few options, so you can pick what's most convenient for you. You can sign up using your email, or you can continue with Google or Facebook. If you choose Google or Facebook, you'll be redirected to authorize your account. This is quick and means you won't need to remember another password, but keep in mind that you'll be linking your Alibaba account to that login. If you prefer to keep things separate, choose the email option. If you're signing up with email, you'll see a short form. Enter your email address, create a password, and select your country. Use an email you check regularly because you'll need it for verification and important notifications. For the password, pick something strong. Mix upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. When selecting your country, choose the correct one for where you're based. This can influence currency display, recommended suppliers, and shipping options. After filling in those fields, Alibaba will prompt you to verify your email. Head to your inbox and look for the verification message from Alibaba. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. The email will include a code, copy it, and return to the sign-up page to enter it. These codes can expire, so try to complete this step as soon as you receive it. If the message doesn't arrive after a short wait, use the resend option on the page. Once your email is verified and everything looks good, click Submit. Alibaba will process your information and create your account. If anything is missing or mistyped, you'll see a message on screen explaining what needs to be fixed. Make the correction and submit again. That's it. Your Alibaba account is ready. You should now land in your account area where you can start browsing products, contacting suppliers, and exploring features tailored to your location. Keep your login details safe, and if you use a shared computer, remember to sign out when you're done. To recap, go to alibaba.com, click Sign Up, choose your sign up method, fill in your email, password, and country, verify the email with the code, and click Submit. You're all set to use Alibaba with your new account.